Oh my god.
I'm putting it back.
Wow, your backpack's huge. I wonder how much you can hold.
I don't know.
I didn't know you wore contacts. You never told me. So every time you're always wearing contacts.
So I wear contacts, whatever.
Why didn't you tell anyone?
I don't know. I didn't think I needed to say that to anyone.
That was totally a Freudian slip.
What's a Freudian?
You just had a total Freudian slip.
No, I didn't.
It's when something comes on your backpack or purse or what be it, and that you didn't want people to see. You just had a total Freudian slip.
I did not just have a Freudian slip.
You don't even know what it is.
No, you just told me what it is. I wasn't even. I don't even care.
Something slipped out of your backpack. You didn't want people to see.
Keep left.
Well, I don't even care if you see my contacts. But I don't even care. Whatever.